Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a customizable binder. And I know it's close to the school year, but for you guys who are watching it during the school year or summer break, I know that it might be the last day, middle day, first day, or even a few weeks before. But for me, it's 2 weeks until summer break. School. So I got this binder that I have. Oh, flip it. So what you're gonna do? Buy a picture, draw a picture, print a picture. I printed out this picture that's hundreds K-pop Demon Hunters. So all you're gonna do, well, there's different things for people who don't have pockets. So for people who do have pockets, do this. Who don't have pockets on their binders, stop, wait, and watch till the end. So place that in the middle. Place it in the middle. Okay. Oh, something happened. Okay. Oh crap. Crap. Okay. Where'd it go? There it is. Tape it on. Then gotta make sure it's the right side. You're going to lift it as far as you can. Don't do it too much. Slide it carefully in to the very bottom. And then, now that's at the very bottom, smooth it out. Make sure it sticks on. And ta-da! But also, you can print out your name like I got mine printed out. And put it at the very bottom. Right